Okay. Y'all have asked me so many times. So you know what? I'm giving in. Y'all have asked me to be your manager, so now I'm gonna be your manager. I'm gonna talk to y'all not as Dorian Group 82, not Coach Clark, not as Alton Clark. I'm gonna talk to you as a music manager that is representing you. And I'm gonna talk to anybody out there that wants to be a music manager. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what I would do if I decided to become a music manager. Y'all want the knowledge? Here it is. If you're in the music industry, you need to watch this video all the way to the end because I saved the best information for the end, something that every single person who is in the music business and music industry has to have an understanding of. If you don't want to be successful in the music industry, don't watch to the end of this video. If you do want to be successful in the music industry, watch to the very end of this video. You need to hit like, share, comment, follow, and subscribe. You absolutely need to save this video. You need to tag anybody who is interested in being in music management or representing talent any way, shape, or form. Because this stuff is applicable not just in music, but in sports and acting everywhere. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I would do, which has gotten my career here. And if I had two of me, I'd probably be one of the biggest stars in the world. And that's real shit. So stay locked in.
My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond.
My name is Dorian from Group82University.com, and right here I'm gonna talk to you about how to become a music manager. No fluff, we're gonna get right to it. Number one, you gotta niche down. What does that mean? You wanna be a music manager? All right, hey, it's this girl in my church. She's a great R&B singer. I think I'm gonna sign her. Okay, you signed an R&B singer. Hey man, shit, I was out in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I was in Broad Ripple, and I walked in one of those bars, and there was a girl up there. She was singing honky tonk. I'm signing her. Okay, now you got your honky tonk artist. Hey man, I was down in Atlanta, man. I'm in the airport. These dudes was freestyling over there by, the place where they sell all the electronics. I liked them, so I signed a rapper. Okay, so now you got an R&B artist, you got a honky tonk singer, you got a rapper. Who are you? Who do you represent, dude? Because those are three different ways you got to know the game. So you need to niche down. Get rid of all of that. You're going to be a rapper manager. You're going to be a singer manager. You're going to be a country artist manager. You're going to be a dancer manager. And then subset off of that. If you're going to be a rapper manager, what kind of rapper manager are you going to be? Is it going to be conscious lyrics? Is it going to be somebody that's more of a New York style flow? Is it going to be West Coast? Is it LA conscious? Is it Bay Area hyphy? Is it down south party music? What are you going to be? Because when you can niche down, it makes everything a lot easier. Do y'all understand the TikTok algorithm? No, of course y'all don't, because y'all don't study the game. You know what TikTok's algorithm looks for? Niche content. Why? Because it's a lottery system. TikTok's a damn slot machine. That's it. And if they know that you are posting the same type of content every day, they know what audience to put in front of, which means you're going to get more views, which means your account's going to grow. It's the exact same thing if you're a music manager. If you're somebody that handles socially conscious rappers, then those media outlets, then those people that book those shows, then all the marketing, all the places that you're going to put in artists, you can develop a pipeline system and just have them go through that. You have to know your brand as a manager if you want to represent talent. In my class, How to Market Your Music on Social Media, which I was going to call How to Manage Your Own Music Career, Game 2 talks about all of this. How to discover your brand. I'll break it up into 4 quarters. 3 social media strategies that actually work. Developing your strategy based on your strengths. How to develop a content strategy. Develop 30 post topics in 30 days. When you develop your brand and who you are as a manager, you do all those exercises that I tell you, you'll know exactly what you need to do and what kind of artists you need to go after if you want to have success as a music manager. The second thing that you got to do if you want to become a music manager, you got to set up your business. I'm so damn tired of people saying that they a manager and they email us or email me and their email is at Gmail or at AOL.com. Some people still at Hotmail. Bro, you are a music manager. That at Gmail is not gonna fly. What that shows me is that you don't understand how important it is to have your own domain. You don't understand how important it is to have your own website. You don't understand how important it is to collect data. You don't understand how important it is to have Facebook pixel, because anytime you email somebody, all they have to get back to you is at gmail.com. It costs $5 to get your own email. $5 measly. That's it. But if you're a music manager, it doesn't matter. You have to be professional. You need a name. You need an LLC. You need a logo. You need a website. You need a business checking account. You need to have everything set up. So when your artists sign on with you, they are able to see all of their finances transparently and yours as well. So they can know what they're getting so nothing can be accused of being stolen. You got to be organized. You're probably going to have to hire a CFO. You're going to have to learn general accounting. You need to set up your business. You're probably gonna need a team. And if you can't afford it, you're gonna have to know how to hire interns for $0. Sounds like a lot, ain't it? Yeah, it's a lot. That's why I don't wanna do it. Because these dudes is out here lazy. But for those of y'all that do want to do it, this is why we put this inside the class. Game 3, how to set up your business. Literally, I tell you how to set up a virtual address, which most of y'all don't know what that is, and an LLC. I tell you how to establish your brand identity, which ties into Game 2. I tell you how to set up your website for sales, which is great for you and for all of your artists. It's something they can carry on. And I tell you how to hire interns for free. We've had over 70 interns work here at Group 82. Didn't pay them a dime. It was a great way for us to grow as a company. It was a great way for us to train employees. It was a great way for us to get people in positions where they did start getting paid, start getting a salary, and start getting benefits because we knew their work ethic. That's exactly what you're gonna need as a music manager. So go click the links in the bio, buy the class, how to market your music on social media. It's half off right now. It's originally $2,000, on sale for $1,000. You can get it for $250 through PayPal credit, because this is gonna walk you through how to set up your business. And the last and final thing that you have to know how to do as a music manager, this is non-negotiable, literally. And anybody who is signed to a manager, if they ain't done this, get rid of their ass. You gotta know how to market music. It's non-negotiable. You have to. There's no way, because that's what labels do. That's what managers do. Managers put people in positions where their music is being heard by whoever they need to be heard by, where it's eventually gonna get them money. Ebe, J. Cole's best friend, manager, he was everything starting off for him. That's what he was doing. He was taking Cole's music around, marketing it in front of the right people, shopping, trying to get a deal. So if you're a manager and you want to get your artist a deal, you have to know how to market your artist. No one has ever been successful in the music industry without having someone or some system or some vehicle tell people about their music, which can be very expensive, which is why I talk about free music marketing strategies. Because spending ads and doing them shows, doing South by Southwest and A3C, shit start adding up. And when your artist is traveling all over and you dealing with their attitudes and this person don't have the weed that they got, blah, blah, the last thing you want is to not get a return for your investment as a music manager. So that's why in the class, Game 4, I'll break it down, how to engage with your audience for musicians. This is the music marketing sauce. I give you my Instagram strategy, I give you my YouTube strategy, I give you my email strategy through MailChimp, and I give you my live streaming strategy. If you are a music manager, you gotta know this stuff. You got to. You need to know that game alone. Buy the class, but you definitely need to watch and study Game 4. That's stuff that you're gonna be able to take with you for the rest of your life, no matter what you end up doing when it comes to social media. And if you can teach these principles to your artists, now they're on autopilot because they know exactly what to do. They know how to generate buzz, they know how to engage their audience, they know how to create brand awareness, which in turn creates revenue. Now you ain't gotta do everything for them because you gave them the keys to the car and they can drive themselves. You a music manager, man, you gotta buy the course. Or you can figure out all this stuff on your own. Because if I wanted to be a manager, I'd be the best in the game. Because I've done all this stuff and I probably spend 3% of my day on music, if not less. So for those of y'all that are trying to spend all your life on music, imagine what this knowledge is gonna do for you if you apply it 100% when I've only applied it 10, 20%. And look at all that. Y'all asked? I asked the question. You want to be a music manager, or you need a music manager, or you want to manage yourself? Buy the class, how to market your music on social media. Originally 2 G's, 50% off right now for $1,000. Get enrolled for $250 through PayPal credit. Instagram, click the link up top. Buy the class. YouTube, click the link in the box. Buy the class. Mouth the pond. Y'all stay true.
Rotate, 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 rotate.
Group82University.com.